Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to revise about the national emergency and the other types of emergency through our PT 365 document of polity, governance and social issues. So let's start. So recently India observed the 50 years of national emergency declared on June 25, 1975, that is during Indira Gandhi government. And it lasted until 1977, and we all know that after this election held and next scenarios. So let's discuss about the types of emergency. There are three types of emergency: national emergency under Article 352, President's rule under Article 356, and financial emergency under Article 360. There is slightly difference between all the three types of emergency. We required here 2 months, 1 month of approval. Initially it was 2 months, but later on with 44th amendment it changes to 1 month. It requires 2 month approval, and here it also requires under 2 month approval. Other differences: special majority, simple and simple. What are the grounds under which it could be implemented? For national emergency under Article 342, there are three grounds: war, external aggression, armed rebellion, and third here it is not mentioned. Oh, sorry, armed rebellion, war, and external aggression. There are the three types mentioned. Under President's rule, there are given in constitution about the two areas where we can allow president's rule. First, when the union direction is not complied by the state, and second is the breakdown of constitutional machinery under Article 356. Basically 365 article provides the grounds for Article 356. Third is financial emergency, when there is threat to financial stability, but best part is India has not observed any of financial emergency yet. So about emergency in India, it leads to suspension of fundamental rights during emergency, and it is borrowed from Germany's constitution. Constitutional basis is under Article 352 to 360, and it is under Part 18 of the Indian Constitution. India observed national emergency three times: one during 1962, second during 1971, and it succeeded with 1975 internal emergency. So proclamation of national emergency is done through president after receiving written decision. It is also added under 44th amendment of Union Cabinet. Parliamentary approval by both house within 1 month. Duration is valid for 6 months, and after this we require approval by both of the house through special majority under 6 months, every 6 months. When Lok Sabha is dissolved, Rajya Sabha has to approve it, and after the first setting until 30 days the Lok Sabha has to approve it. Majority is required, that is special majority. Revocation can be done by president at any time without parliamentary approval, or when Lok Sabha wanted, they can also disapprove continuation by simple majority. When Lok Sabha is not in session, then a special session is called, when 1/10 members of Lok Sabha gives the written idea to the president. Center state relation: center may issue executive directions on any subject. Parliament can legislate on state list also, and president may modify revenue distribution. Tenure of legislature: Lok Sabha and state assembly works in the same time, but it can be extended 1 year at a time, but not beyond 6 months after emergency ends. After emergency ends, and if the tenure is ended, then we need to have a fresh election. Fundamental rights: fundamental rights may be suspended under Article 359 except Article 20 and 21, that is right to life, and it is about the person that are in that is it prevents self-incrimination or double jeopardy, etc. So these are about the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, which brought major changes. So here it mentions that for emergency, Union Cabinet to communicate to President in writing. Mandatory these are all things we studied earlier in this paragraph, but it specifically mentions about the 44th Constitution Amendment. Restricted scope of Article 359. Article 359 basically says that President has to provide that which all fundamental rights are to be suspended during the national emergency period, and how much duration is for which these fundamental rights are suspended. So it's restricted the scope of Article 359, that is Article 20 and 21 remain enforceable during emergency. Article 358 automatically suspends Article 319, but this is not allowed when there is internal rebellion. Only during the case of war or external aggression we can apply it. Also, right to property as fundamental right has been made to constitutional right under Article 300A. There are other amendments like removal of 357A, which allowed the government to deploy any armed force or any other force to deal with any grave situation of law and order in state. Basically, when there is some sort of disturbance in the areas, then any sort of armed forces can be deployed by the government of India in the any area of the country. Term of Lok Sabha brought back to 5 years because 42nd Constitution Amendment has increased the tenure to 6 years. It restored judicial review and made the idea of checks and balances more powerful to review election disputes concerning president and vice president. So, judiciary is having check on executive. So, this was it for today's video. Thank you. Be connected.